Okay, so we are on Google now. So we just type Convertkit and the first website, this one. So it is over here. The marketing platform, convertkit.com. So we open this website and we can make an account over here. Now let's start with the pricing. So when I click on the pricing, so now if you want, there are two options: monthly packages and yearly packages. So when I scroll down, so if you're making a free initial, so we have up to 300 subscribers. It is free of cost, and after that it start with $9 and $25, so on. And we can see we can create multiple landing pages, we can create forms, and there is no limit for sending emails. Now before starting this, why we use ConvertKit? As we know, it is very popular. There are many other email tools also, but why ConvertKit? First of all, it has many new features added. The email sequence, we can automation the broadcasting emails to them, making a sequence of emails, drip marketing. All the stuff is possible on ConvertKit. And for an intermediate people who know basic of email marketing, for them this is the best email tool. We must try this, and it is very simple to use. Just by making simple automation email sequence, within you can say half an hour you can make your email sequence ready. For that reason, I'm using this from last 3 years. It is very good, and it is the pricing also compared to others is much more simpler. Fine. So let's start. So I have made an account, a fresh account I have made. So you can see the dashboard. Now you can see you will get a 14 days email free trial for this. So you can plug and play, you can learn about everything. And after that, if you are interested, you can definitely upgrade a version. Okay. So now here we have first option is grow. So here we can make subscribers. We have landing pages, forms. So here is the sending option of a broadcast, sequence, snippet, email templates. Here we have automations, so like visual automations, setting some rules, RSS integrations, and also they have added products, tip jars and payouts. They have these are the 3 new features added on ConvertKit. Before it was not there, and also they have their own community and creator board also. Like if you want to learn about this, so every week or every 15 days also they have online webinars also, so you can learn from there also. So so this is the entire dashboard of ConvertKit. Okay, so first thing, we will create an simple form, so that you can integrate on website. Okay, so we can go on grow the tab and click on landing pages and forms. So here also we can create landing pages where we can make good landing pages, and after that we can promote through social media platforms. Okay, so as you can see, this is a freshly account made. So when you scroll down, so here you have create new option. So I've created a test image just for practicing. Okay, so this is a create new. Click on this and you will get 2 options over here. First is the form and second is the landing page. So form is basically when you integrate with you can say your landing page, you can integrate with your existing website, your blog, and so on. If you want to capture the data of your customers, for example, name, email, and phone number, etc., you can capture on this. This is a landing page if you want to make for like you want to promote some special products, some service, and so on. So we will go on forms and other. Now here we have basically 4 types of form: inline form, model form, side in, and sticky bar. So inline is it can be between your blogs, between your pages, and elsewhere. Model is can say when people would open your website after some seconds, there would a pop-up form would become where you can enter the data. This is a side in form where it would be on the right side or the left side, anywhere you choose. The form would be constant, and people now when you scroll up and down, the form would be as it is. Now sticky bar, basically it would be on the top of a website if you want to promote some offer, if you want to highlight something that is important. So at that time we can use this. So let us check each and every option. So this is an inline. Okay, so as you can see, there are various templates options by ConvertKit which are very beautiful. They are very good. See, this is Charlotte, Claire, Cocoa, Pine. You can add images. See, this is if you want to make a your newsletter to join people, so you can use this one. Again, this is for also joining the newsletter for your company or industry. You can use this. Just they will give you email ID and they would click on the button. That's it. After they're popular, so you can add images if you want to, for example, promote ebook and so on. You can use this. Next second option we have, that is the model one. So this is the model one. So again, the templates are the same only, just the placement would be different. That's it. Next is the sign in. So as you can see, this would be basically, as I said, on the right or the left side, it will small bottom, so that when you want to, it is a sticky bar. We can so we can use this also sometimes. And the last one is sticky bar, basically on top. So there are only one option. As you can see, it is on the top of the website, so that if you want to promote something, some offer and so on. So we start with inline, which is very simple and very good. Now, and this also, this is the Claro one, is very simple and it is very beautiful looking. So we'll use this and click on choose. Okay, so now we can see here there is only one option. If I want to add something, for example, name, email, we have email, then number and so on. So we can do that. So now here we have the option of plus button. So click on plus. So as you can see, one more field has been added. So on the right, we can see you can create a custom field. Click here, and by default it is giving first name, because most of the people, or we know we want name and email, that's it. So for that reason they have added first name. As you can see, name and email, and the button is subscribe. So this is the form would be integrated on your website. Now after that we can scroll down, and now we want the compulsory data that is required, so we click on the button. And now also we have more options like the font color, the border color, border radius and so on. So if I want to change the font color, so I can just click this and you have the option over here, red and so on. But mostly black is looking very nice, or you can say we can take light gray or something, but black looks very awesome. So we will choose black. After that we have border color. So if I want to change the border color of the box, we can change from here. So if you're taking red, is very good. So we can take red, or we can set some grayish color, we can take it. After that we can scroll down. So this is a border radius. If you want to increase the border radius, we can increase. See, it is increasing. And the font size, so we can say bold or normal font. So bold is looking very nice, so we will do this. And after that we click on save. Now after that we need to change the form color. We need to change the form name. So let us keep it. We can just edit and let us add affiliate ebook. Okay, so now when we are creating email sequence form landing page, the name should be common, so that when we do that, we know the name. If otherwise it will be mix match. After this, again click on save and click on publish. Now one more setting we have, that is we can go over here, setting, and now when you can see here the message, they would see success. Now you can check your email to confirm. Now basically we can call this at opt-in form. We can say this is opt-in form, and people need to confirm it before they enter into a sequence. So why we do this? Because we want qualified customers. We don't want some random customers to fill the form and they are a part of email sequence. So it is important. We can go on incentive and we can click on auto confirm. If I don't want people should confirm twice. If I want them to confirm again, then I need to tick only the first option. Now we can see the content, what is there. So when I click this, so see, here you can see, thanks for signing in. Click the below to confirm the subscription. So it means that we are doing twice, we are telling customer to do twice confirmation. Okay, so that is important because we want qualified and good customers. And you can just click on save. Clear? And again over save here. So now we can click on preview. See, this is the exact form it would be on your website, your blog or elsewhere. You can click on exit preview. Again we can do publish if anything is not published, and we can click on back button. Okay, so now we have created the first step, that is the form. Now step 2 is to go on your WordPress website, and we need to connect ConvertKit and your website. So here I have my WordPress dashboard, and now there is one key called as API key. It means that we are connecting the ConvertKit and the WordPress website. Okay, so that is called as an API key. So on ConvertKit, we go to our settings over here, and we have the option of setting. When you go on setting, we scroll down, and here as you can see advanced option. So click on advanced, and on the advanced we have the API key. Now the API key is very important, so never share your API key with anyone. Okay, so this is the API key. I just need to copy this. I will copy it, and now I will go to my WordPress dashboard. So on the WordPress dashboard, you will find out Elementor over here, and on Elementor, click on settings. So when you go on settings, here you get the option of integrations. So click here. As you can see, there are so many options for integration: Facebook SDK, MailChimp, Drip, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, so on. So here we have a ConvertKit. I have already installed. Just copy paste, click on validate, and scroll down and click on save changes. So now when you click on save changes, so ConvertKit and your WordPress dashboard is linked. So now we have used here Elementor. So there are other page builder like we have DV, WP Bakery, and so on. So same thing we can do with them also. So we have used Elementor because it is very simple and very easy process. Okay, so now we have connected ConvertKit and Elementor. Now after that now we have to create a landing page where we will use this what the form we have used, we will use that. So over here Elementor, we go on pages and click, and I have made a pages called one page that is known as ebook, and I will click on edit with Elementor. So as you know, we will create a page where we will capture the customer's data, that is we call as a lead magnet. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So click on plus button, and I want two parts. So click on first option. So here I want to integrate the form, and here I want to integrate an image. So first I will add an image. I will just drag and drop from here, and I will upload an image over here. So this is an image I have done. Insert. Okay, and now I have to create a form, and I need to add some text. So let me add some text editor, and I will just type here, get your free ebook now, and I will write some text over here. So let me just give a random text here, and after that I need to add a form. So form is required so we can integrate what we have done, ConvertKit and WordPress. So we'll go on the 9 dots, and I will just type here form. So the form is this one. Just drag and drop over here. Okay, done. So I have added the form. Now here we can see the 3 fields, that is the name, email, and message. But I don't want message, so I can just click here, as you can see message, and click on the cross button. So now only we have name and email. Okay, now next thing is to just change the button, click on button, and over here button we can just do various stuff. As you can see the changes we can do. I want justified so that it looks very nice. Click on style, and I will just add some changes over here. Buttons color, you can change the background color of button and so on. So you can edit everything from here. See here you can see the form option, the typography color, the typography font, all the stuff you can do from here. Let me scroll down and click on button, and now I will just change few things. Now I will add one that is called as icon download. So it looks good, nice, and click on insert. And I will just do other changes, that is after, and a bit line spacing. The size button would be large, so it looks much nicer. And I will change the text that is download your ebook. Your free ebook. So it looks very nice. Okay, so we have added text, we have taken the field and so on. Now your page is ready, but for landing page we should require something that is we can say about some books, what the book you are giving. So right, you can write about the book, about the author, some other extra feature also you can add so that it looks a proper landing page. But for now we are just capturing the name and email ID, and so that people can download the ebook. Clear? That's it. And after that we'll scroll down, and now here you can see after action. So as you can see here, we have two options here: collect submission email and email. So I don't want to use this, I just want to connect my Convertkit. So I will just type here Convertkit. See, there is a pop-up, we will use this. And after that, when you have just added this, and you can see the Convertkit has been added. But now we have done the API setting over here, so it is showing over here. So first you have to connect the Convertkit and your WordPress. After that you will see the option. So now click here. So now it will take us time. You can see the form. The API is by default. Now which form you have made on Convertkit, it will come over here. So if you have multiple forms, so make sure the name is populated over here. So I want affiliate ebook. So this was the name we had added. So click on here. And now it is the field mapping. So I just want to check the name of field added over here, it is going in the right place. Now email, I will click here. I want to do an email, so it would be email name and to the name thing. So it is the fields are mapping properly. After this, scroll down and click on update. So your entire thing has been saved. Okay, so this was, we have made the landing page, we have connected the API key, and we have created a form. So this was about creating a page and connecting the Convertkit. Okay, now we have created a form, we have connected the Convertkit and the WordPress. Now we need to check whether the data is going properly or not. So the page is here, I have opened. So the page is over here. So we can just type here the demo data or dummy data. So let me add my name Bhavik and let me add my email ID and click on download your ebook. Okay, as you can see, the form was sent successfully. Means that the data has been shared. Now we can go to Convertkit dashboard and go to our home dashboard on Convertkit. And now we need to find out the page. So we'll go on grow, landing pages and forms, and we'll scroll down. So this is the affiliate ebook form what we have made now. So open this. Okay, now we'll go to reports. Okay, as you can see, there is 0, 0, 0. Okay, now one thing is over here, the customer need to confirm. So if he confirms, then we can see subscriber list. So we can just click on this, and now we can go and click on unconfirmed subscribers. Say this. So here it is. Now we can see I have added my data Bhavik and bhavikgara.24@gmail.com. So this is my email ID. I need to confirm on my email, then it would transfer to confirm subscriber. So this is the thing what we have done, so that the genuine customer, or we can say the customer need to confirm twice, we get qualified leads. So this is the thing we need to add this. Okay, so that is about making a form, and after that how we can send the emails to them. Okay, so now first they have added the thing, now we need to send them emails immediately. Okay, so let's do that. Now we need to go to send and click on sequence. So here we will create a new sequence, so that anyone has filled the form, they would get an email. So click on new sequence. Okay, I need to give the name. So again, we'll give the same name, that is affiliate ebook. And click on create sequence. Okay, it has been done. So I need to now draft my email. As you can see, there is by default email is there. Now I need to do one thing. Now send this email when. So when people would enter the data, immediately I want to send them a welcome email. So I need to change this to 0. So you can see it is now showing immediately. The first thing we have changed is that is the time, so that anyone would submit the form over here, he should get immediately a mail that is thank you for confirming, or your something else you can do. So right here, subject line, that is you can say thank you for downloading the ebook. Downloading your free ebook. And this is the body. So we'll write here, hi, thank you for downloading the ebook. Here is your download here, and you can take download here, and now we will just highlight this, and now we can add the link over here. So can you see this link? Click here and paste your link where people would download from here. So now you can add your the PDF book on Google Drive. We have Dropbox and elsewhere. Just paste the link over here so that people would click on this button that is download here, and they can download your ebook. After that, click on publish. So now your entire thing is published. So this is just I need to add the data. I'll just add the rough data. And now click on submit. Okay. Now here we can do one thing that is known as personalization. So click on the plus sign. As you can see, we can add image, we can add a file, a button, driver, and so on. So I just want basic thing, that is personalization. So let me check the personalization, or we can do so live light hi and open brackets first dot name and close bracket. So click on the plus sign, you will get the option of personalization. Click here and see first name, greetings, tags, and so on. So I just want email, so I will just click on this. So when you add this, so it is subscriber dot first underscore name. So this gives a personalization to your customers. For example, my name is Bhavik, so it would be hi Bhavik Shah, and your email would be there. So in this way you can add this, which looks very nice. As you can say as personalization. Okay, so after this, click on publish. So everything is done. It is published. It is live now, and now we can see when people would type this, immediately they would get this email that is thank you for downloading ebook. Now I want to make a sequence of that, so I can add one more email. Click here, and now I will just type your email. Now second step would be mostly we can say our personal story. So just let me type your personal story or my story as the next email, so that they know more about me. And I will just write here about hello, and again I will give a personalization, plus sign personalization, and click on the first option, that is add to email, and comma. So here is my story, and I will just mention about everything. So this is basically you are telling more about yourself to your customers, so they will understand more about you. It gives a personal touch to them. And after this, now next is the when I want to send. So mostly it takes a day or two. I can say I want after 2 days when they receive my first email. That is the when they are downloading the ebook. So it is done, and click on publish. So your first email they would get immediately. After 2 days, that is 48 hours after getting the email, they would get the next email, that is my story, and so on. We can create a sequence of emails. That is okay. So we can 2, 3, 4 emails. You can do this so that every time, like after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, they would get your sequence of emails. Clear? That's it about this was about how to make a sequence of emails. Now next we can see the some automation. So again on the dashboard of ConvertKit and click on automate and click on visual automations. Okay, so we are over here. As you can see, there are currently there is no new automation. So click on new. Now by default there are many templates by ConvertKit. We can use that also. So you can see there are many automations they have already added. So we can use that also. You can click on use, you can preview, and if there is matching your like the rows and everything, you can use this. Otherwise we have the one more option, that is empty automation. So click on empty automation, start from scratch. Open this. So click on this one and here you will find out new. First thing is to change the name. So click on this edit button and again give the same name. For example, same affiliate ebook. Affiliate ebook and done. After that, now what is the next step you want to do? So we have the option over here, join the form, add to a tag, custom field and purchase. So these are 4 options. So first we will see the form joins the form. If people are joining your forms, click here. Now when you click here, as you can see which form. So if you have multiple forms, so you can select that one. So currently we are using affiliate ebook. So click on this particular form. Now we are adding an event. So click on add event. Okay, it has been added. So now we'll click on plus sign and what next we want to do. So what are the action we want to add? So here I want to add a tag. I want to remove from a tag. I want to add on email. I want to delay and so on. So right now we'll do email sequence. So click on email sequence and which sequence I want to add. So again click on the drop box and the sequence we have created now, what was affiliate ebook. So click on this and click on add action. Okay, so this is the process. First we create a form. What is the process? People who are coming on the form, they would get they would be added on email sequence and that's it. So these are 2 steps we will create and then let's click on live, make it live and turn it on. So your automation is live now, so that people would added the form, they would be added to the email sequence. This was a simple process. We have done an automation. Now other things also we can do, that is click on the plus sign. I can use this, that is the add or remove tag. So click on this. If people enter on the form, I want to tag them. Currently there is no tag, so we need to add that. So this is also option we can do, or else also we can tag is added. So I can do that also. I can add then, so that there is a constant flow of the customers from step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. So right now we are not adding to any sequence or anything, just the form, they would be into the email sequence and end of automation. Clear? And click on live. For this is about creating visual automations. Now we will see how to add the list. So we have on the dashboard and click on grow and click on subscriber list. So click over here and after that now we can click on add subscribers. Click here. Now we have the options from add a single subscriber to when you click over this. So you can add manually like the name, email, and you can add to the form, the sequence or the tagging. So again this is a long process. So we can click on again here and click on import CSV. So if we have a CSV file also we can upload, so that entire thing is imported on ConvertKit. And the last option also we have, that is import from another provider. If you have third-party applications, here you can see. So we can add those over here and from them the entire data would be exported over here. Now after that we will see that is a broadcast. So click on send and click on broadcast emails. So here if you have many email list and you want to send the email for any new event or any seminar, webinar and so on, so this will send them immediately. So click on new broadcast and after that just give the name, that is seminar we can say free webinar on affiliate marketing. Okay, this is done, and you can just add a content. Hi, and we will add personalization, that is click here, and first name of the service provider, and we'll draft here. So on we can say 1st of August 2022 I am conducting a webinar, on affiliate marketing. Here is the link to register, and I will add the link. The link over here on register, so that people would join. I will get the database and all the process sequence and everything I can add over here. So click on this link, and you can add the other party, that is the calendar link or Zoom link and so on. You can add over here, and also you can tag those people to some list. For example, I have already done, so you can do that also, or afterwards also you can do this. So this is the option you can give, and after that click on continue at the bottom, or you can also see the preview here. Click on preview. So see here it goes, hi, the first name of the subscriber, and the email you can see over here. Fine. Now after this click on continue. Okay, so this is the draft message. Now here you can see the option. So here if you have multiple subscribers, sequence, tags and so on, all it would be here. So here you have the matching types over here, all, or, any, or. So if you have, for example, 2 to 3 options, or there are many tags, sequences over here, so you can add them, or you can say if you want to send to all, you can do that also. When you scroll down, so here is the option of timing. For example, if you want to send now, some particular date, particular time, you can set this. As it is on 1st of August, so I can say I can send tomorrow, and after 2 days again, after 2 days again. So I can do that also. So I can create a sequence of emails, so that after every 2 days they would get a reminder of the webinar. After this, click on continue, and that's it. So when I click on send broadcast, that immediately the mail would be sent to those people. So currently there is no list over here. So in this way you can send broadcast emails. So after this, the next part is we can create a landing pages. So click on grow, and here is the option of landing pages and forms. So click on this, and after that click on landing page or new. Okay, you can wait. Okay, now scroll down, click on create new, and here we have the option of landing pages. So click on landing page. Okay, so here we can see on the left, these are the categories they have added and the preview over here. So there are many landing pages inbuilt, and we can use any of the template and make a landing page. For example, ebook or video, webinar, seminar, for capturing the data like email and number. So all that stuff you can do from here. So let me choose any one which is simple and which looks very nice. See here, you can see you can add a image, or you can say for ebook and so on. Here you can add a video. See, they are capturing simple email. So let me choose any one. Okay, I think this is very nice. So click on choose. I can also preview also. I can check it is okay with me or okay for my brand and so on. Okay, so this looks nice. So how I get how to get 1000 email in 3 months. So this is good. Here you can even add a form, or you can see there is an option also over here. So I can add my images and so on. So let me take some other one, not this one. Add new and landing page. I can take this one, the first simple one. So choose now. Okay, so I can add over, see, I can add my image. So click on replace, and I can just drag and drop from my computer. I've just added my photo and click on, okay, it's too big. I need to change it. Okay, just the file size is size should be small. After that, I want to capture name and email. So again, click on plus sign and I will add here custom field as first name, and it is required. Again, I can increase the font size, the color, the background, all the stuff I can do. I want to edit something, so I will just highlight and download my ebook. Download free affiliate marketing ebook. And that's it. And I don't want this much text. Delete this. That's it. So we have done. I will add an image over here with the proper size. That's it. So when people would come over here, they would see this. They would add email and name, and they would click on subscribe. So I will just need to change the name of this. So let me find out. Okay. So click here and download my ebook. Download free ebook now. So that's it, and we have done. Click on save and publish. So my landing page is done. So now it is so simple. Within 10 to 15 minutes you can create a landing page. Now you can drive traffic to this particular landing page. So I just need to even change the name. So let me change the name. That is affiliate ebook. That's it, and again save and publish. I can see the preview also. Click on preview here, so you can find out. Okay, see, it's so much simple, and it just took 10 minutes for me to make this page. That's it. So people would come over here, they would see the landing page. They would see the page. They would add email, name, and click on download button. So the data would be saved on Convertkit. They would be. You can now add these people to the email sequence. The same what we did earlier, step by step process. So they will get first day email, second, third, fourth day. All the things would be same. And now one thing is left, that is we call as the how to connect your domain. So let's check how to connect the domain. So go on the dashboard. And now go on your name down and click on settings. So here you will find out other options also. Like for example, you can add your personal details over here. You can also do two-factor authentication, so that it is for security purpose. You want to get some notifications from Convertkit, you can do this. And now here you will get the option of domain. Click on domain. And after that, now see, currently this is the name, that is the tremendous founder, so on. So we have not connected the domain. So click on scroll down and click on custom domain. You just add your domain and click on next and confirm it, so that your domain is connected. That would be, for example, my is bhaviksha.in. So here when you add your custom domain, so that it looks very nice, that is for example bhaviksha.in / the other name, like ebook, affiliate ebook, and so on. So that looks much nicer. So in this way you can connect the custom domain. Now here we have billing option also. If you want to add your payment details, for example, if you're taking the pro version for this, you can add this from here. So just add your payment, click on upgrade, and you will add the details. That's it. So that was all about Convertkit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like the video, comment if you have any queries, any doubts, and also subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon, so that next video when I publish it, you can get the notifications. Thank you.